Hey there, science enthusiasts. Today we are taking a closer look at the kids' microscope with a 2.4 LCD screen. This pocket-sized portable microscope is perfect for kids ages 8-12 and makes a great birthday gift or science kit. With a quick focus and amazing images and videos displayed on the 2.4 screen, your kids can explore the world anytime, anywhere. The microscope has magnification levels of 500x and 1000x, with 8 adjustable LED lights for observing objects in dark places. It also functions as a camera, supporting video resolutions up to 720 HD and photo resolutions up to 3 MP, requires a 32GB TF card, not included. This versatile microscope is perfect for observing plants, insects, coins, jewelry, stamps, and more. With a battery life of about 2.5 hours, this lightweight microscope is easy to take on outdoor adventures. So, why wait? Get your kid's microscope now and ignite your child's curiosity in the microscopic world. Check the link in the description to get your own kid's microscope with 2.4 LCD screen today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing science and educational content. Happy exploring!